I don't know what kind of bird this is, but it is a huge bird. See if I can get outside. It's like a huge bird, dude. He's just chilling. I never seen a bird that big before. What kind of bird is it? I don't know. It's a brave bird too. It's not even afraid. Look, it's looking at me. Big ass bird. I wish I had something to add to. The bird. I don't know what species it is, but it's a big ass bird with a long, sharp beak. Talons, dude, for real. It's like some type of hawk or something. For real. It's a brave bird. Out here in the city doing it big. Watching the cars roll by. Alright, bird. Got you 2 minutes of YouTube time. Peace.